Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of downloading and installing Google Drive on your computer. Google Drive is a fantastic cloud storage solution for storing and sharing your files. So, let's get started. First step, open your web browser on your computer or laptop. In the search bar, type Drive, Google.com and hit enter to access the Google Drive website. I will also drop this website link on my description. You can click on the link below. Once you're on the website, go to Download section here. Now, you'll see Download Drive for Desktop option here. Just click on this button to start the download. Click on Save and it'll automatically download the application. Wait for a while. After the download is complete, locate the installer file and run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Google Drive on your computer. Just simply click on Install and wait for a while. Once the installation is complete, launch Google Drive on your computer. Sign into your Google account and configure your settings, including the location of your Google Drive folder. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Google Drive on your computer. Now, you can easily store, access, and share your files in the cloud. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or if there are specific topics related to Google Drive that you'd like us to cover, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.